it's all done and dusted, what you don't want, in my opinion, is to meet the person that you could have become on the other side of the street.
I like that this gives me the opportunity to actually sit down and do my business planning in an encouraging and supportive environment.
Really love coming to these events year on year. I love to bring a couple of staff and it really gets the blood pumping for the year ahead.
The best thing about today is that it's really hands-on. We get to use the workbook and the flight plan.
The massive takeout is to be not busy and be effective, and instead of just running around being busy and really not achieving anything.
What I took out of today was the importance of building relationships for the future growth of the business.
A recurring theme that I noticed myself writing down in my notebook a lot was consistency of effort, regularity, commitment, default diary. It's tactical now, I understand better, which is much better that we work more on tacticals.
Measuring and the correcting of information. So we're big through data, information and wisdom, and having some of my team members here to assist in them understanding where we're heading.
You don't need more people, you don't even need more machines. You just need to be brave enough to go up a level with the customers that you serve. That's all. It's not hard. Not easy either, right? But if you just keep on chipping away, you're going to be fantastic.